Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. Let's talk Bitcoin today. Prices are crashing, and since I think almost, if you go precisely from 7th of October, it is falling. But if you can see the structure, it is not collapsing. It is just a kind of a correction or a pullback in the market. Well, the main reason, if we talk fundamentally, the main reason behind this crypto market's weakness is because of the risk of sentiment, and which is also being fueled by the AI related concerns in the market right now. And because of these AI jitters, the US indices are also continuing to the downside trends. Almost Dow also fell for 105 points, and 40 20 points basis points of SPF, S&P 500 and Nasdaq has also been there respectively. And the major stocks in AI, which is like CoreWeave and Oracle, Broadcom, these are also extending to the downside one. So fundamentally, if we say that almost around 1.5 trillion dollars has been shed in the market value in the recent weeks. So of course, these strong cross assets correlation with the cryptos are also feeling the pressure in the prices as of now. But what I am suggesting is this is not the collapse of this, because there is a news that on the structural side, there is the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF has been granted, and there is also progress around in the Genius Act in the US, which is opening the doors for the institutional partnerships in the Bitcoin, and that's huge. And it's you can say a very good opportunity for those who are still having the faith in the Bitcoin right now, because I feel that it's going to go back again, from to a good heights again, if that is the case of the institutional partnership we can see in the Bitcoin. So let's talk technically as of now. That technically, if you see, what you see, that the slanting lines, this, it's a Fibonacci, sorry, it's a pitchfork, which I have drew on, that has been plotted on a weekly time frame. Right now you're watching is the daily time frame here. So this red line, I have just colored these lines and made it different, so that it visually I can understand that till what level I find the support, and till what level there will be more of the support or a resistance, or it will be just a bypass toll gate for them. Okay, so coming back to the point, so Bitcoin in one more leg downside is possible till 84,100, and from here we can see the prices going back again, because it's also almost making a pattern of a double bottom and a W here. So a double bottom, if we say that, then the first target we can see here is at around 94,000. And if we talk about the time sensitivity and the time and price relation, then it must be going and testing the 94,937, which is also the high of this, almost the high of this point. So 94,600 to 94,700. So these two levels, which I'm 94,700 to 94,100. So this is certain a level which I think it might find some resistance here. And as we're speaking about the W pattern, so two ways of calculating it. So most of the time, the theoretical part, I just keep the theoretical part aside for some time. And because in theory, if it will be like equals to the range of this leg here, and that is almost, if we calculate, that is almost a range of almost to the range of 21%. So if we check from the red side, 21% comes almost at 1 lakh 2,647. So what I personally do is I check for the recent pivots, and the recent the recent places where there are chances of rejections like these pivots here. Also there was a good liquidity sweep here. Where you can see the prices went back, and then again that was a false trap, and it continued its journey downside. So coming back here, the prices of first the resistance range of first level of bit for the Bitcoin would be around 94,700 to 94,100, and then comes this range, and this range is almost at 1 lakh 1,000 to 98,900. That's 1 lakh 1,000 to 98,900. Okay, let me come back to the demonstration part. So this range here is one where if there is any chances for a further downside, it might go back. And but overall, chart looks good, and it looks like we have a buying side again in Bitcoin. Only point is if the price is breaking the range of 84,280, this red line here, or if I mark down it for you, so almost at this level here to close here. So this range, the range here of 84,500 to 83,350, this range, if it is breached, then it will continue to the downside, or more deeper down to the levels of 80,000 and 78,000. So these are the downside one, or the invalidation of the bullish view which I am having right now for the Bitcoin. But if we talk about the structural part, this news is good. It will be backing up the prices for Bitcoin for sure. So if you're trading in this, be very safe in trading that, and you will see the upside very soon in Bitcoin. Price if is breaching 84,500 to 83, this red line here, almost at 84,200 to 84,500 range. I'll just mark that down for you. 84,500 to 84,200. Then of course we can see the downside prices. So this is the preparation for both side of trades if you're trading in Bitcoin. And keeping it very simple, I'm not giving you many fancy words and many fancy letters, just simple technique, that price at the support, almost creating a double bottom here, and that double bottom along with the fundamentals is supporting the upside of this, and if the breach of this will be going back to the 80,000 and 78,000 in the Bitcoin prices. So this is all in Bitcoin as of now. If there is any update, I will definitely update that later. Have a good day and make good profits.